Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 10th of March 2024 and I'm going to be going over the results of week 11's testing of the SPX predictions based on option chain analysis. Of course, if you are curious where these predictions are coming from, go view my channel since there are in-depth videos going over all the option chain analysis that preceded this simple up or down prediction or neutral. So if you are interested, definitely go view this, and I will move this here so you can see the values clearly. So the prediction was made on the 3rd for the week ending the 8th, where it was predicted that SPX goes up. SPX opened at 5,130.99, closed at 5,123.69, giving us a small loss of 0.14%, bringing our cumulative down to 3.2%. SPX's weekly change was minus 0.26%, which increased our alpha to minus 4.35%. And naturally, obviously, reduce SPX's cumulative return as well. So this is just a short video going over these results. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. I will see you in the next video.